Hey there, welcome. Today I'm sharing a smoothie I grew up on, and then some things that I've added to it over the years. So let's get started. The first ingredient we need is 1 orange. I'll put the orange in first to make blending a little easier. Next we need 1 banana. Most of you probably already know, but for those that don't, you can always freeze the banana to make this more into an ice cream. This is always fun to do on a hot summer day. The last ingredient we need is 3 to 4 strawberries depending on their size. To make the ice cream, you will need to freeze these as well. You can always add a little ice for a thicker consistency. Well, that's it. Blend it up and enjoy. The smoothie is quick, tastes great, provides you with the daily fruit recommended for good health, and is cheap at about $1.95 with all organic ingredients. I think a straw makes this much more enjoyable. I have a reusable straw that I love. They come in tons of different options and even have ones with spoon attachments. I've left a link in the description for those interested. Alright, as I mentioned in the beginning, over the years I've added some things to this smoothie. So once again, we start with 1 orange and 1 banana. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of hemp protein powder, 1 teaspoon of chlorella powder, 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs. These are best in powder form or ground up first. Most of the time I don't have any strawberries, but since I have some, I'll add 1. Next, I add a half a cup of frozen mixed berries, and last, a half a cup of flax milk. Blend it all up and enjoy. I have this smoothie every once in a while. It does make for a great morning or midday snack. It also works good as a pre or post workout shake. Alright, so here's a quick look at the ingredients in total. The hemp protein I used is from Nutivia. I like this because it's just 1 ingredient, no additives. Hemp also has all the 9 essential amino acids. They have chocolate and vanilla flavored ones as well. Next we have some raw cacao nibs from Navitas. This is a new company for me, but they look to be doing all the right things. The history of cacao is pretty lengthy, along with its health benefits. Then we have some chlorella from Health Force. I like that they use metal lids and glass jars, along with high standards. Next is some flax milk from Good Karma. This is my preferred choice, but I do wish it was organic. And last we have a blend of frozen mixed berries from Earthbound Farm. The quality of the berries has always been great so far. We can't forget the produce. Most of the time I shop at natural grocers, where all their produce is organic. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, for those interested, I've added links in the description for some of the products shown in this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a great day.